right, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, guess we got an unboxing. The Morovan Polygel set. Still got the plastic on it. Y'all see that? Plastic still on it. Got it from Amazon. Price will be up on the screen. Link will be in the description. So let me just tell y'all, this first little one is just, I got a white polygel, I think. Yeah, I think I just got like an extra color. I think that's what this one is. Unbox it. Y'all, I'm gonna just tear the box up. I ain't got time for it today. Ain't got time for it. I'm finna try to do these nails soon. Oh, like this the pink polygel, y'all. This how it look. Price for the one individual polygel and the kit will be on the screen. And yeah. Says it's color P003. Y'all, I have never worked with polygel before, so this will be interesting. Y'all know I have done acrylic before. I've done like gel nails. I've done nail tips, you know, stuff like that. I've done like press-on, stuff like that. So yeah, I've never worked with polygel before. But this is not like a initial review video. I'm gonna just show y'all me playing around with the polygel in another video. This is just the unboxing. So now we're gonna unbox the nail kit and see what we got in here. Look, let's go ahead and open this on up. Don't know how hard it's been for me to keep this in the box and not open it up before I show y'all, because yeah, I would have been opening this up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and change the angle so y'all can see me and what's all in here. But that's how the box look. Oh, upon open, it's so pretty. I'm gonna change my angle, y'all. Hold on. Y'all be patient with me with my angles right now because I haven't got the little screw-on desk thing that you could like clip onto your desk and then like record stuff overhead. So just be patient with me with seeing this little setup, okay? Gonna go ahead and unbox. Told y'all that's how it look. Let's go ahead and see what's all in here. Breaking the paper off. And let's just take everything out. Got some tips, I guess, or forms. I don't know what they're called. Got some sponge files. One side is 180 grit. Well, both sides are 180 grit. Got a application brush, I'm assuming. Got another file. It's 100 and 180 grip as well. Two sides. Well, one may be a buffer, actually, now that I think about it. Now that I'm looking at the thickness of it, this may be the file, and this may be the buff. Look, I don't know. I'm just unboxing. I'm assuming this is cuticle oil, maybe. I don't know. We got some clamps. Well, a clamp. And then we got the UV lamp. It's a little mini UV lamp. Got a top coat. Assuming this one is a base coat. Yep, base coat. And we got this polygel color. This one is P223 and it looks like a little blue color. And then this green color looks like P224. And then the slip solution, yeah, poly nail gel slip solution. And then we got instructions here at the bottom. That was everything that was in the box. I'm gonna keep the box, y'all, and use it for like putting this stuff back in there. But let's get into instructions and sizing for products. Okay, so let's go through the sizings of everything, minus the lamp and all the utensils. The slip solution is 1 floor ounce. The base and the base and the top coat is, oh, it does not have a size on here. All right, it doesn't have a, oh, it says it's 10 milliliters or 0.33 floor ounces for the top and the base coat. And then the Polygel, the green and the blue one. No sizing. Oh, it says 15 grams, 0.54 ounces for the green one, as well as it's the same thing for the blue one. So I guess I'm glad I got this bigger one. This came separately. This one is 30 grams or 1/4 ounce. The pink Polygel I got. I don't know what design I want to do, y'all. I've never worked with Polygel before. I watched some TikToks. I watched some YouTube videos, so I kind of got an idea of it. I am going to read the directions and everything. Oh, it tells you everything that's in here. Product list right there with sizing and everything. I forgot that it came with a little lamp, though. But I'll hold this up here so you guys can see it for a little bit. Screenshot it if you want to see what all came in this little kit. Once again, pricing will be on the screen. Okay, let's get into what the lamp looked like, actually, since we did everything else. Okay, so now into the lamp. This is the lamp here. Let's go ahead and unbox that. It says 5-watt UV LED lamp. Portable design, lightweight, quick dry, safe to eyes and skin. And I've really been wanting these little bitty ones for like when I travel and stuff, y'all. So it was so nice that they had this in this kit. Comes with the cord, and here is the product. I actually have a little cord right here, so let's see if it cuts on. Let me use the cord it comes with. You know, all these cords are what I call, oh, well, actually, I lied. I was going to say, all these cords be like Android cords, but this one actually isn't. This one is like a different, like a rounded shape. But you just stick it in the back here. And I have a little socket over here, so let me see if it just cuts on. Let me adjust our lighting a bit, y'all. Unplug my little humidifier I have over here. And let's just see if this cuts on. Straight out the box. Oh, so you click the little button underneath here, and that's how it cuts on. You hear it clicking on and off. That's convenient though. Like when you put your finger here, you just do boop, and then it cuts on, cut it off. Thought it was gonna click up here. It feels like a decent quality. It's soft right here, so like when you click it, and then it has like a little indentation right here. You know, makes it easy for you to click it on. I don't have anything on but some old clear polish, some old clear gel polish. So y'all gonna see me do the Polygel nails, but this is just the unboxing. I feel like they gave you a decent amount of stuff though. Like I just need to go through the instructions and watch another video just so I can kind of get an idea of this. But yeah, y'all, that is the unboxing for the Morovan Polygel set from Amazon, plus the pink Polygel. I don't want to give it like initial review, but it's just I guess an initial unboxing. And you guys stay tuned to this video.